The Oldsmobile brand, once a cornerstone of American automotive innovation, holds a special place in the hearts of car enthusiasts and collectors alike. As we step into 2025, there's a growing fascination with classic cars, and among the many names that echo through time, Oldsmobile stands out as a symbol of quality, performance, and forward-thinking design. Although Oldsmobile ceased production in 2004, the legacy it left behind continues to inspire admiration, and its cars have become treasures for collectors and vintage car lovers across the globe. Oldsmobile was founded in 1897 by Ransom E. Olds and became one of the oldest automobile brands in the world. It was also one of the first to mass-produce vehicles on an assembly line, a revolutionary innovation at the time. The brand went on to become a division of General Motors and enjoyed a long history of success. Throughout the 20th century, Oldsmobile cars were known for their smooth rides, advanced engineering, and stylish looks. Cars like the Cutlass, 442, Toronado, and Aurora were beloved models that made significant impacts on the market. In 2025, the nostalgia for Oldsmobile is stronger than ever. Car shows, auctions, and private collectors continue to celebrate these iconic vehicles. Owning an Oldsmobile today isn't just about having a car, it's about owning a piece of automotive history. Models like the Oldsmobile 442 from the muscle car era are especially prized, known for their powerful V8 engines and bold designs. These cars represent a time when American muscle dominated the roads and performance was king. What makes Oldsmobile so interesting to modern car enthusiasts is how ahead of its time it was. The 1966 Oldsmobile Toronado, for example, was one of the first American cars to offer front-wheel drive, a feature that's common in today's vehicles but was revolutionary back then. The Toronado also featured cutting-edge styling and a high level of luxury for its time. Then there's the Oldsmobile Aurora, a 1990s sedan that introduced sleek, aerodynamic designs and showcased how Oldsmobile could blend luxury and technology in a way that appealed to younger drivers. Restoration projects involving Oldsmobiles have become increasingly popular. Mechanics and hobbyists alike enjoy working on these cars because of their solid construction and the availability of parts. From rebuilding engines to restoring interiors with authentic materials, bringing an Oldsmobile back to life is a rewarding journey for many car lovers. In some cases, enthusiasts are even modernizing these classics, adding Bluetooth audio systems, digital dashboards, and electric drivetrains, creating a perfect blend of old-school charm and modern functionality. There's also a strong community around Oldsmobile vehicles. Online forums, social media groups, and YouTube channels are full of people sharing stories, restoration tips, and car show highlights. Attending an Oldsmobile car meet in 2025 is like stepping into a time machine. You'll see everything from pristine factory models to wildly customized builds. And the best part, everyone there shares a deep passion for this classic American brand. Another reason Oldsmobiles remain relevant in 2025 is the growing interest in preserving automotive heritage. In an age where electric vehicles and automated driving are becoming the norm, more people are looking back and appreciating the craftsmanship, style, and raw driving experience that classic cars offer. Oldsmobiles provide a tactile, analog experience that's hard to find in modern cars. The feel of the steering, the sound of the engine, the weight of the controls, these are sensations that remind us why we fell in love with driving in the first place. As more people search for meaning and connection in the things they own, cars like Oldsmobiles become more than just machines. They become family heirlooms, conversation starters, and rolling art pieces. Whether you grew up riding in one, learned to drive in one, or just admire their design from afar, Oldsmobiles have a way of sticking with you. Their story is our story, a testament to American innovation, resilience, and style. So, if you're thinking about getting into the classic car scene, or just want to learn more about a legendary brand, Oldsmobile is a great place to start. There's a model for every kind of enthusiast, from muscle lovers to vintage luxury fans. And who knows? Maybe one day you'll find yourself behind the wheel of a 442, cruising down the road and turning heads wherever you go. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends. It really helps the channel grow and reach more car lovers like you. And of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more automotive history, restoration tips, and deep dives into the cars that shaped our world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.